every day.
Time to make my hair look
This is
pretty.
the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair, neat and tidy. This is the way we get dressed, get dressed, get dressed. This is the way we get dressed. 1, 2, 3. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands, clean and safe. This is the way we pick up toys, pick up toys, pick up toys. This is the way we pick up toys when we're done playing. This is the way we pack our bag, pack our bag, pack our bag. This is the way we pack our bag, ready to learn.
For school.